Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I know it has been a long time because my work is so busy lately, but I want to share with you my recent purchase from Hobonichi. I am ready for next year. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is what maybe let me start from this one. I think I buy one last year. I didn't use it, so I sold it. But I want to try that out, so I bought this Tragen. I think it's a German word, mean carry. So this is for weeks. So let me open that. So the nice thing about it is it's very lightweight, and it has a pocket over here, so you could carry whatever stationery that you want to carry with your weeks, and it's very compact. So I think it will be a nice accessory to your weeks. So what it has is all of the tag over here and the zipper. It's all made of leather. And the zipper is very, very spacious. You could put a lot of pins over here. And it's a magnetic closure. And it has a pen loop over here. It's also made of leather. And I've seen people compare the previous version with this version. I think this version is better because the previous version has the pen loop slightly upper over here. Then I think when you put your pen, then it's most likely it will be sticking out. So this year, the pen loop is lower in this position. And it has a leather pocket over here. The difference would be previous year, the leather pocket starting from here, but this year it's a little bit higher in this position. Otherwise, I think the rest of the design are pretty much the same. It has a back pocket over here and 5 card slot, and you could put your weeks in here. Alright, let's move on to the next item from the Hobonichi then. Alright, I think this year the box is blue. I think it's very pretty. It's a light blue, a little bit in gray. A little bit gray tone, so it's very beautiful. So I've got a lot of stuff I would love to share. Ta-da! I got notebooks, a few notebooks. The first one will be Cousin. The Cousin is my main diary notebook. So next year I'm gonna continue using that. Okay, let me open that. I think the design, it doesn't change that much from this year to from every year. That's how consistent they are. Oh, wow, this is so cool. Yeah, I've seen people showing this. It's a comic kind of booklet. The Mystery of Tetra Mask. That's very cool. This is so nice. You could use as a material and stick into your notebook. Alright, so the Cousin is pretty much the same. It's the A5 size, and it has the same the yearly spread and monthly spread. A monthly spread starting from December this year, 2024. and the monthly goes to 2026 March. That's plenty. And for the year, for 2026, it also has large numbers over here. And now it's weekly. Weekly starting right at the 2025 and up to 2026, up to January 4th. And empty page, and then start the daily. So I guess it's pretty much the same. And for like each month, it changed the color of the grid. And there are a few empty pages, timetable. I usually repurpose every single page at the back. If you are interested in that, I could share how I'm using these pages to make every single page in this book useful. Okay, I'm gonna do a pen test later. All right, so this is A5 Cousin. Then to complement with that, I bought this. Okay, this is cover on cover, no news. I think I don't need to introduce that. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Last year, I really liked this artist, Yumi's design. But I haven't had a chance to buy one because usually for a cousin cover is way much larger than the book, and I really don't like that. But I just can't resist this design again. So that's why I bought this. And what's good about it is last year it doesn't have this cute little art inside. It only has beautiful art outside. So this year it has very cute little arts inside. So that's why I decided to buy one. Okay, so let's take a look at that. Okay, so it's dark green color. I think the real color is more similar to like what you are seeing over here. And on the screen, it's a little bit darker. So it's, I think the design is called Stationery or something. So everything is relates to the stationery. And it also has like extended design inside of this pocket. All right, so this is from a card, but all the rest of this design, they are printed on this canvas. So it's so cute. And it has this ribbon bookmark, and really complement the color of this muted green in this in the inner of the pocket. I think this is so beautiful. Look at the detail of it. I really love it. All right. In addition to that, usually though I don't use an A6 techo, but I still buy those. I just can't resist the design from Yumi. So this is a very cute design as well. So I think this is a more dark blue color, and with all different kind of design from Yumi. It's like a gift. Very cute. And again, inside, this is from a card, and all the rest, they are printed on the canvas, and it has a red, dark red and blue bookmark. That's so beautiful. You know how much I like Yumi, this artist, so I basically bought everything from her. So the next item will be this one. I usually use 1 week, 1 weeks for my work and 1 weeks for as my health planner. So this is gonna be my health planner. So again, it has this booklet on inside, and this is the week's cover. I think it's called wallpaper. It has all different kind of design from Yumi and looks like a wallpaper. The texture of it is a little bit well, I wouldn't say muted, but it feels like a canvas from oil painting, so it's very sophisticated design. And I think the weeks, the inside would be similar to all the others. It has a calendar, yearly spread, monthly spread, starting from 2024 this year to I think to March next year, and then it starts from the weekly, and after weekly it'll has like a few empty pages, and also some other interesting, oh, this is interesting, sample symbols and icons. This is new. That's very cool and very cute. I like that. Okay, it also has this card and also a pocket like this. So this is the artist. I really like her, Yumi Kitagishi. All right, so here are some additional stationery that I bought. All right, so you will know how much I love her because I basically buy everything from her. So because I really like her design, I bought all the pencil board from her. I think the design from this year is very cute. So the pencil board from Wix. It's a house and has like all different kinds of different rooms in that house, and it's just so cute. And on the back is the little house, and it's a green color. It's so pretty. And from A6, I think is a room featuring a cat, well, 2 cats, and they are relaxing. And on the back is, oh, I think this year the design would be like the front, on the back is part of the front design. So the back will be blue, and this is what's over here. That's cute. And A6 is like the cat's friend, and they are having a feast, I guess, in a garden, in a very beautiful garden. And on the back is pink. Oh, I love this pink color. It's a very, very beautiful pink. Slightly muted, but still has its brightness. And but not as bright as the usual pink that you will see. I think it mixed with a little bit gray tone in it, but just very subtle. And in here, it's just the table that you will see from here. Very cute. All right. I also, from Yumi, I also had this. I had to get this. I think this is so nice. It's a sticky notes, and the design is so cool. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 designed, and from each design it has 20 sheets. And here you could write on it, or I usually from sticky notes. Sometimes I use sticky note as to decorate my techo. So you could also use this as like a sticker and just glue it on your notebook, and this you could write it. So it's very beautiful. All right, so the last stationery would be, I also bought this pen. I'm very interested in mini pens, and I think this from Penco is very cute. It writes very smoothly. Let me find a paper. So it's very tiny. I think I could give a measurement on it. It's about around like 9 centimeter length, and you could, here that clip, you could clip your cap at the back, and now it becomes a normal pen, and it writes very smoothly. So this is how it writes. I like the color, and originally I want to buy a yellow one as well so I could mix match the barrel like what they do on the website, but the yellow is out of stock. I think I will buy it again if they ever get in stock again. So this is very nice. And I think this is, everybody knows every year that's a freebie when you purchase a book. Then this year is yellow and orange. This writes very smoothly. Okay, so the moment of truth, I want to know what kind of notebook that I get this year. So that's a freebie of the Cousin as well. Oh, the green one. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so the free notebook, it's shiny. It's a glossy cover. I like this design. It's like very vintage. And inside, if I remember correctly, it's also Tomoe River paper. So the color of the grid is like muted green, similar to the green that you will see from this dark green color. So it's like from start to the end is a very vintage vibe. All right, so this comes to my all purchase from Hobonichi. I hope you enjoyed it. And what did you buy for next year? I hope you could share in the comment, and I will see you next time.